2 firefighters were injured Sunday night when underground equipment near an electrical substation in Yorba Linda exploded underneath them. The entire incident was captured on this Brea police cruiser's dash cam.
One of the patrol units was actually facing the area where the explosion occurred. When the explosion occurred, he saw that, immediately responded to the area. Both of the officers responded to the area to check the damage and to ascertain what exactly happened.
The officers arrived to find smoke rising from a manhole and kept their distance, waiting for firefighters to arrive. When firefighters got on scene minutes later, they suited up, and a fire captain and another firefighter approached the manhole, investigating what they thought was a fire, not expecting it to explode. The explosion knocked the fire captain off his feet and into the bushes. Firefighters and one of the officers then rushed in and pulled the captain to safety before another explosion.
I need you at post 3 here. All you're going to shut down. We have a firefighter down.
And finally, a fourth explosion. Incredibly, thanks to their gear, the firefighters suffered only minor facial burns.
Based on what I saw, they're very lucky.
The series of 4 explosions knocked out power to more than 3,000 Edison customers, and one eastbound lane of Yorba Linda Boulevard remained closed until Monday morning. Edison authorities are conducting a full investigation into what caused the explosions. Rob Whitfield for OCRegister.com.